Hello, and welcome to this special Q&A video with Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. In today's video, we're sharing an exclusive sneak peek from the latest webinar's question and answer session. If you'd like to dive deeper and watch the full webinar replay, it's available for just $6.99 over at alexcollier.tv, exclusively for our community of truth seekers. Before we get started, we'd be so grateful if you could like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notified of all new videos. Your support helps spread Alex's messages from the Andromedans to more people around the world. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Whether it's your thoughts, a question, or even just an emoji, every comment counts, and we read them all. Your feedback and engagement really make a difference. If you'd like to show a little extra support, consider clicking the Super Thanks button, the heart with a $sign, to give a tip. Every bit helps us continue to bring you more content from Alex Collier. Now, let's get into this special Q&A with Alex.
Do you have a vision or idea of what our future looks like in 5 to 10 years from now? How do you see our lives on this new earth changing? Thank you for everything you do. Again, from Jane Smolnick Boyd.
That's a huge question. It's a great question. So let me go 5 years, then I'll go 10. And because this is a Q&A, I'll keep this really, really simple. In 5 years, I see our financial system and how we live financially is actually taking root. And what I mean by that is that we are well on our way to ending poverty, ending homelessness, and everybody is extremely hopeful about the future because there's a lot more abundance present with more coming than we ever could have imagined before. In 10 years, I see nations and countries very stable. I see the populations of countries and nations very stable. I don't see war. I don't see people talking about war. I see the medical, the health and welfare of humanity beginning to change dramatically using different technologies, such as true organic food, absolutely pure and clean water, frequency, magnetic healing technologies coming out, holographic technologies going mainstream. It could happen sooner, but I'm generalizing. The biggest shift is the consciousness of humanity. We are continuing to learn who we are and what our true history is. And this fascinates everyone because in looking at the past of previous civilizations to our own, we begin to realize they were more advanced than we are now and will be in 10 years. So we're fascinated by that. And what it's doing is that it's beginning to pull everyone together as a collective to want to learn, to understand, and to work together because we realize in the past it had already been done. And that everything that we had been taught has been, for the most part, bullshit. We also go through some anger. And a lot of that anger will be, that energy will be used to, and will be funneled into repairing our planet. Many people get involved not only in conservation, but also in cleanup. Everybody is making a great living in helping to clean up not only the ocean, but the land as well. And we're all working together. We're using advanced technology, in some cases, straight up extraterrestrial technology to do these things. And it is uniting us. And I'm going to say within the next probably 5 to 10 years, open mentoring will be occurring, but the adoration, the worship of extraterrestrial races will be waning. In other words, at that point, we will begin to see the process of, we understand who they are, we understand that they come from advanced civilizations, and they're not here to be God, and therefore we really shouldn't worship them and should not, but we are intrigued and we want to learn as much as we can for the benefit of our own race. I think in 10 to 15 years, humanity really bonds with itself. And we understand and we really start to put together a direction of where we want humanity to be. Now, during this time, our space fleet will be more directly involved. It'll be more open, and people will be traveling. Many young people and even some old people will sign up to become part of the fleet and to experience space for themselves. You know, even in the short run, just to be out in space and see the Earth from space. And what an incredible experience it is to see it, the awe of it. And humanity will have a spiritual awakening. And that awakening will be more individualized. It will be each person's heart, each person's soul realigning itself with source, with Great Spirit, whatever name each individual wants to identify it as. But individually, we will all be reconnecting to that, because we will understand and come to know the miracle that we all are in our own individual way. And this will shift how each person not only looks at themselves, but also each other. And, you know, when I say that homelessness will end, poverty will go away, I sincerely mean that, because we are so powerful together that, you know, we will be able to manifest change very quickly as long as we focus on it. As long as we focus on what we want, we can shift things very, very quickly, because we have that ability. And humanity will come home. It'll come back to itself, and we will understand what this lifetime, what all these different lifetimes have been about. And at the same time, the Earth will be healing. She will continue to expand and get larger herself. And she will be moving and changing her frequency as well. And all of us that are still here, living, of course, on the planet, will also experience that shift and that frequency changing as she elevates her frequency, her harmonics, her song. So will we. And it will be a blessing. It will be actually really, really fun to live on this planet during this change. That's how I see it. That's the Cliff Notes version.
Thank you so much for watching today's question and answer video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on new videos. Your support truly helps us spread Alex's messages from the Andromedans and reach more people. For those interested in the complete experience, remember that the full webinar replay is available for just $6.99 at alexcollier.tv. This is where you'll find Alex's in-depth insights and answers to more questions from our community. We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment or drop an emoji below. We read every single comment, and your engagement really means a lot to us. To keep up with the latest from Alex Collier, you can visit alexcollier.org for more about his work, alexcollier.news to sign up for our email newsletter with the latest updates and exclusive content, and alexcollier.live for the most recent news and info. And don't miss our full library of over 250 past webinars on alexcollier.tv. Thanks again for supporting the work of Alex Collier. Your support makes it all possible, and we're truly grateful for each and every one of you. See you next time. If you would like to see the Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.